Today I'm going to show you how to make a spicy chicken pho soup. This is a delicious Vietnamese recipe that's fast, easy, and nutritious. To get started, you will want to make your pho broth. In a medium saucepan, add 4 cups of chicken broth, add the juice of 1 lime, add a couple garlic cloves, add a stick of cinnamon, and a couple pieces of star anise. You will want everything to simmer in the saucepan for about 15 minutes. While my pho broth is simmering, I'm going to get my noodles and the rest of the ingredients ready. For this soup, you will want to have some pho noodles. These are your traditional rice noodles, and this is about half a package cooked to the instructions on the back. If you're going to let them sit for a little bit, just run them with cool water so they don't get mushy. Now I'm going to get a large serving bowl. This is a big soup. And I'm going to add a couple big heaping servings of noodles. Then I'm going to garnish it with green onions and my sliced chicken. This is going to be about 1/4 cup. And it's already grilled and sliced. To serve, I'm just going to put some ladles of my chicken broth over it. Make sure to avoid the big garlic cloves and the cinnamon sticks when pouring it over your noodles. And now this is my favorite part of the spicy chicken pho. I need to add my spice. This is about a teaspoon of garlic chili sauce. You could use a little bit more to taste. I'm going to use a sprinkle of hoisin sauce. This is about 1 tablespoon. And now I'm going to garnish it with my veggies. Today I have some mung bean sprouts, some sliced red onion, some fresh cilantro, some fresh sliced jalapenos, some carrot slices, and some fresh basil. Now it's ready to serve. This is Chef Mariko showing you how to make spicy chicken pho. Enjoy.